area of equations exercise 4C first bit first question. Before doing first bit first question, we will discuss what is the concept is required to do the exercise 4C. So first I am taking a polynomial equation p of x equal to 0. P of x equal to 0 is a polynomial equation. I am taking a complex rule if a plus ib is a root of p of x equal to 0, then a minus ib is also root of p of x equal to 0. So the conjugate of a plus ib is a minus ib. So for example, minus 3 plus 5y is a complex root. Then the other root is minus 3 minus 5y. So if a polynomial equation containing complex roots, then it is pairwise. Automatically its conjugate is also root. Second, if a plus root b is a root of p of x equal to 0, then a minus root b is also root of p of x equal to 0. So if it is one root, automatically this is another root. If this is one root, then automatically this is another root. So an irrational number is a root of polynomial, then its rationalizing factor is also root of the polynomial. Next, for example, 3 minus root 2 is one root, automatically 3 plus root 2 is the other root. Next, third, if root a plus root b is a root of p of x equal to 0, then root a minus root b minus root a plus root b minus root a minus root b, all the remaining three are the roots of p of x equal to 0. For example, I am taking root 3 plus root 2 is one root, root 3 minus root 2 is the other root, minus root 3 plus root 2 is the other root, and minus root 3 minus root 2 other root. So these are 4 coming at a time. So with rational quotients. So this information is used to do the this third exercise. Okay, now we will do the first problem. Form the polynomial equation whose roots are. So here 4 questions are given. According to the 4 roots, we need to find out the polynomial equation. So coming to the first one, 2 plus 3i, 2 minus 3i, 1 plus I, 1 minus I. So these are the 4 roots. If we are observed 2 plus 3i, automatically another root 2 minus 3i, conjugate, pairwise conjugate. 1 plus I, 1 minus I, these are also conjugate to each other. Now alpha equal to 2 plus 3i, beta equal to 2 minus 3i, gamma equal to 1 plus I, delta equal to 1 minus I. I am taking 4. So with the help of alpha beta, I will find one quadratic equation. With the help of gamma delta, another quadratic equation. If we do the product of those two quadratic equations, then we will get the required solution. So alpha beta, sum alpha plus beta equal to 2 plus 3i plus 2 minus 3i, 3i cancel, 2 plus 2. Alpha beta 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i, a plus ib into a minus ib, a square plus b square, 2 square plus b square, 4 plus 9 equal to 13. So equation x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. X square alpha plus beta 4 minus 4x, alpha beta plus 13 equal to 0. So this is the first equation. Next, second, gamma delta. Gamma plus delta equal to 1 plus I plus 1 minus I cancel 2, 1 plus 1 2. Gamma delta 1 plus I into 1 minus I, 1 square plus 1 square x square minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. I want to do this product. X square into x square, x power 4. X square into minus 2x minus 2x cube. X square into 2x square. Minus 4x into x square minus 4x cube. Minus 4x into minus 2x plus 8x square. Minus into 2. Minus 4 into 2. Minus 8x. 13 into x square. 13x square. 13 into minus 2x minus 26x. 13 into 2. 26 equal to 0. So x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 4x cube minus 6x cube 2x square plus 8 10 plus 13 23 x square x minus 8x minus 26x minus 34x plus 26 equal to 0. This is the required equation. Next, coming to the second one, 3 comma 2 comma 1 plus I comma 1 minus I. Alpha equal to 3, beta equal to 2, gamma equal to 1 plus I, delta equal to 1 minus I. So alpha plus beta equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Alpha beta equal to 3 into 2 equal to 6. X square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Alpha plus beta 5. Alpha beta 6. Next, gamma delta already we done gamma delta. So I don't want to do it again. So gamma delta, what is the equation? Gamma plus delta, what we got? Gamma plus delta equal to this one same 2. Gamma delta equal to how much? 2. Equation x square minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Now required equation is x square minus 5x plus 6 of x square minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Now product x square into x square x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x square minus 5x into x square minus 5x cube minus into plus minus into minus plus 5 into 2 10x square minus into plus minus 5 into 10x 6x square minus 12x plus 12 equal to 0. Now x power 4 minus 7 x cube 2 plus 10 12 plus 6 18x square. Next minus 10 minus 12 minus 22x plus 12 equal to 0. Minus 1 plus I minus 1 minus I. So already we done 1 plus I 1 minus I. Alpha equal to 1 plus I, beta equal to 1 minus I, gamma equal to minus 1 plus I, delta equal to minus 1 minus I. Alpha plus beta 1 plus I plus 1 minus I cancel 1 plus 1 2. Alpha beta 1 plus I 1 minus I 1 square plus 1 square equal to 2. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. X square alpha plus beta equal to 2 minus 2x alpha beta equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Next, gamma delta. Gamma equal to minus 1 plus I. Delta equal to minus 1 minus I. Gamma plus delta equal to minus 1 plus I. Minus 1 minus I. I cancel. Minus 1 minus 1 minus I. Gamma delta equal to minus 1 plus I into minus 1 minus I equal to minus 1 square plus 1 square equal to this is 1 plus 1 2. Now the equation x square minus of gamma plus delta of x plus gamma delta equal to 0. X square. So this is minus of minus 2 plus 2 2x gamma delta equal to plus 2 equal to 0. Required equation equation is, what is the required equation? So product x square minus 2x plus 2 of x square plus 2x plus 2. I will write this one, x square plus 2 minus 2x into x square plus 2x, x square plus 2 plus 2x equal to 0. So up to this one a minus b, a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, x square plus 2 whole square minus 2x whole square equal to 0. So a plus b whole square, x square square, x power 4 plus 2 square 4. So 2a into 2 4 x square minus 2 square 4 x square equal to 0. Again a plus b into a minus b, a square, this is a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, x square whole square power 4, 2 square plus 4. Next 2ab, 2 into 2 4 x square minus 4x square, getting cancelled. So answer x power 4 plus 4 equal to 0. So this is the required answer. Next, fourth question. Fourth question already 1 plus I 1 minus I, 1 plus I 1 minus I. So first 1 plus I 1 minus I, 1 plus I 1 minus I. So alpha equal to 1 plus I, beta equal to 1 minus I. This is same means after getting this equation we are doing just square root. So alpha plus beta equal to 1 plus I plus 1 minus I cancel 2. Alpha beta 1 plus I into 1 minus I equal to 1 square plus 1 square, this is equal to 2. So equation x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. X square alpha plus beta equal to 2 minus 2x, alpha beta 2 equal to 0. So these two roots are same. So we are getting this equation twice, 2 times. So product required equation is x square minus 2x plus 2 whole square equal to 0. So 2 times x square minus 2x plus 2 into x square minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. X square into x square, x power 4, x square into minus 2x cube plus 2x square minus 2x into minus 2x cube plus minus 4x plus 4. First x square into x square, x power 4, x square into minus 2x cube, x square into 2x square minus 2x into x square minus 2x cube minus 2x into minus 2x plus 4x square minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 x into x square. Next minus 2 into plus 2 minus 4x. Next one 2 into x square, 2x square minus 2 into minus 2x minus 4x, 2 into 2 plus 4 equal to 0. Now x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 2x cube minus 4x cube plus 2 plus 4 6 plus 2 8x square. Next minus 4x minus 8x plus 4 equal to 0. One more time I want to check. X power 4 x cube here minus 2 minus 4 x square 2 plus 4 6 plus 2 8 x minus 4 minus 8 constant 4. This is the required equation. Next is question number 2. Second question, first one 4 root 3 5 plus 2. 4 root 3 plus 5 plus 2. Here also we need polynomial equation with rational quotient. We need polynomial equation with rational quotient. So if 4 root 3 is one root, minus 4 root 3 is the other root. 5 plus 2i is the one root, 5 minus 2i is the other root. Alpha equal to 4 root 3, beta equal to minus 4 root 2. gamma equal to 5 plus 2y, delta equal to 5 minus 2y, alpha plus beta equal to 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3, getting cancelled 0. Alpha beta equal to 5 plus 2y into 5 minus 2y equal to 5 square plus 2 square, 25 plus 4 equal to 29. Next equation, x square minus alpha plus beta equal to alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So x square alpha plus beta 0, no need to write this one 0, plus 29 equal to 0. Actually I took this one. Four root 3 into minus 4 root 3. 4 into minus 4 minus 16, root 3 into root 3 3 minus 48. So x square minus 48 equal to 0. Next one, this one, gamma plus delta, gamma plus delta, gamma equal to 5 plus 2y plus 5 minus 2y, 2y 2y getting cancelled 10. Gamma delta equal to 5 plus 2y into 5 minus 2y, 5 square plus 2 square, 25 plus 4, 29. So now the equation, x square minus gamma plus delta into x plus gamma delta equal to 0. X square gamma plus delta, how much? 10 minus 10x, gamma delta plus 29 equal to 0. The required equation is x square minus 48 of x square minus 10x plus 29 equal to 0. So x square into x square, x power 4, x square into minus 10x minus 10 x cube, x square into 29, 29 x square. Next, minus 48 into x square, minus 48 x square, minus into minus plus 480x, 48 into plus into minus minus, 48 into 29, 9 to 8, 72, 9 to 4, 36 plus 7, 43, 9 to 8, 72, 9 to 4, 36 plus 7, 43, 2 into 48, 96, 2, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 4, 30, 1, 3, 90, minus 1, 3, 9, 2 equal to 0. So x power 4, x cube coefficients only 1, minus 10 x cube, 29 x square minus 48 minus 19 x square plus 480 x minus 1392 equal to 0. So this is the required solution for first one. Next, coming to the second one. Second one is 1 plus 5y, 5 minus 5. 1 plus 5y, 5 minus 5. If 1 plus 5y is one root, automatically another root 1 minus 5y. So alpha equal to 1 plus 5y, beta equal to 1 minus 5y. So alpha plus beta equal to 1 plus 5y plus 1 minus 5y. 5y cancel 2. Next, alpha beta equal to 1 plus 5y into 1 minus 5y. 1 square plus 5 square equal to 1 square 1 plus 25, 26. Next, so x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. X square alpha plus beta 2 minus 2x alpha beta plus 26 equal to 0. Next, gamma equal to 5 minus 5, delta equal to 5 plus 5. Gamma and delta. So gamma plus delta equal to 5 minus 5 plus 5 plus I equal to I cancel 10. Gamma delta equal to 5 minus I into 5 plus I equal to 25, 5 square plus 1 square 1. So 26. Okay. Now equation required equation is, what is the required equation? X square minus 2x plus 26 of x square. Okay, this one gamma plus delta minus 10x plus 26 equal to 0. So this is the required equation. I want to simplify. So x square into x square, x power 4, x square into minus 10x, minus 10x cube, x square into 26, 26x square, minus 2x into x square, minus 2x cube, minus into minus plus 20x square. Next, minus 2x into 26, minus 52x. Next, 26 into x square, 26x square, 26 into minus 10, minus 260x, 26 into 6, 26, 676 equal to 0. Now, x power 4 minus 10x cube minus 2x cube minus 12x cube. Next, 26 x square quotient 26, 20, 46, 26, 52 plus 20, 72 x square. Next, x quotient minus 260 minus 52 minus 312x plus 676 equal to 0. So this is the required solution. Next, coming to the third question. Third question is I minus root 5. I minus root 5 is the question. So alpha equal to I minus root 5, beta equal to not I plus root 5. So we should change the sign of I minus root 5. So alpha plus beta equal to I minus root 5 minus I minus root 5. I cancel minus 2 root 5. Alpha beta I minus root 5 minus I minus root 5 equal to 1 square plus root 5 square. 1 square 1, root 5 square 5. 1 plus 5, 6. Now equation x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. X square alpha plus beta equal to minus 2 root 5. Minus into minus plus x. Alpha plus beta plus 6 equal to 0. So actually we need a solution in terms of rational quotient, but it is root 5, irrational. So that's why what I am doing, bringing this 2 root 5 outside, x square plus 6 equal to minus 2 root 5 x. Squaring on both sides. X square plus 6 whole square equal to minus 2 root 5 x whole square. So a plus b whole square, x power 4 plus 36, 2 into 6 is 12 x square. Square of negative positive 2 square 4. 4 into root 5 square 5. 4 into 5 20. 20 x square. Bringing outside x power 4. 12 minus 20 minus 8 x square plus 36 equal to 0. This is the required solution. Next, fourth question. Fourth question is minus root 3 plus I root 2. Minus root 3 plus I root 2. So again, one is alpha minus root 3 plus I root 2. Beta minus root 3 minus I root 2. So I part only change. Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta equal to minus root 3 plus I root 2. Minus root 3 minus I root 2. I root 2 cancel minus 2 root 3. Alpha beta minus root 3 plus I root 2 of minus root 3 minus I root 2. Root 3 square minus root 3 square plus root 2 square. Square of negative positive root 3 square 3, root 2 square 2, 3 plus 2 5. Next equation x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. X square x square plus 5 equal to minus 2 root 3 x. Squaring of both sides. X square plus 5 whole square equal to minus 2 root 3 x whole square. A plus b whole square form x power 4 5 square 25 2 into 5 10 x square equal to square of into positive 2 square 4 root 3 square 3 4 into 3 12 x square bringing it to left side x power 4 plus 25 plus 10x square minus 12x square equal to 0 x power 4 10 minus 12 minus 2x square plus 25 equal to 0. So this is the